Pochino. Kapantay, 15 seconds shot. Kapantay, back to Kabayo, back to Mr. Pansul, 8 second shot lock. Kapantay, 5 second shot lock. Ayun, going 14 second shot lock. Mr. Pansul, back to Mr. Kapantay, 8 second shot lock. Ay! Na. 20 by the board. Pass to Galiba. Nice! Sayang, 5 minutes and 30. Pass back to Mr. Pansul. 15 second shot clock. For 3. It's a short. Sayang. Mr. Dangge. Dangge. Pass back pala kayo. Ang ganda nga ng connection mo. 8. Sana. Sangge. Pass to number 27. Pass to Mr. Patubo. Patubo. Malakas ang tira. No basket. Pass it to number 25. Nabayo. Nabayo. 4 minutes and 40. Nabayo number 25. 2 points. 4 minutes and 33. Mr. Balita sa gitna. Using board, 2 points, 4 minutes and 25. Mr. Aquino, right? Using board, no basket. 4 minutes and 15, Mr. Patubo. Padali, pass to Mr. Dangel, looking for 3. It's a short, rebound by Mr. Patubo. Basket, tumawad.
Pito.
Basket. 62-53. Mr. Galima. 2 minutes and 40. 12 second shot clock. Basket. Easy 2 points by Mr. Galima.
Konti lang.
Pansul. 15 second shot clock. 2 minutes and 25. 10 second shot clock huling. Pansul. 5 second shot clock. 24. Good. Continue. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock remaining. 2 minutes and 8. 5 second shot clock remaining. Mr. Pansul, no basket. Last 3 minutes. Mr. Galima for 3. No basket. Nahabol. Mr. Aquino. Looking for 3. Malakas. Nakakuha ni Mr. Dangge. Ayun, Mr. Dangge. Sumakay sa taxi. No basket. Basket Mr. Pansul. Mr. Pansul waiting the team. Getting the game. A smiling face. Mr. Alfred for 3. No basket. 2 minutes and 20.
Pasok na.
Number 27 for 3, no basket. Aquino. 2 minutes and 10, Mr. Aquino. Oy, malakas ang tira. 14 second shot clock. Sige. Mr. Ross, Mr. Aquino. 8 second shot clock, last 2 minutes. 5 second shot clock.
Shot clock lang yun.
Basket. Mr. Patubo. Pass to Mr. Dangge. 15 second shot clock. Mr. Dangge, napukul ng 3. Mr. Dangge, to re-up na ako Mr. Dangge. Looking for 3 again. Patay ang butige. 1 minute and 30. 1 minute and 20. 5 second shot clock remaining. Mr. Pansul, no basket. 14 second shot clock. No basket. Pansul again. 14 seconds shot clock. No basket again. May tama na yun. 1 minute and 2. Mr. Patubo. Mr. Patubo. Last 55 seconds. 15 second shot clock. Last 15 seconds. 10 shot clock remaining. Last 45 seconds. Basket. Last. Mr. Patubo again for Pino Basket. Last 35 seconds. Last 25 seconds. 61, 64, up.
Na pa.
Sige. Limang kasi kailangan kayo Paul. Wala pala. Isa akin. Second. 15 seconds. Mr. Opin. Last 13 seconds. Mr. Magpantal. Pangsul. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds.
Foul na.
5 seconds.